Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be some quick cleaning motivation. I am so happy that shorter cleaning videos have kind of returned to YouTube, and I love that. So today I'm not doing anything crazy. I am just doing a quick kind of like once over of my kitchen, about 10 minutes of cleaning motivation. I am so here for it. If you're brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, and this is the first video you've seen me post in a while, I am back on YouTube. I took about 9 weeks off, and if you want to catch up and just kind of see what I've been up to during quarantine, definitely check out my last video. I just kind of sat down and talked to you guys about everything that's been going on in my life, what's been going on through quarantine, and why I took so much time off of YouTube. But with all that being said, let's just jump into the cleaning. I have to be honest, this is so not a perfect cleaning video. I am just getting back into the swing of things, and filming and learning and remembering what it's like to clean my house while I'm filming. It is just a process. So please forgive me. I know it seems a little awkward and just I didn't get everything done. And I actually just when I cleaned my stove and wrapped up the dishes, I just didn't even hit record on my camera. So that is just out of this video. But in any case, I still think it's some good cleaning motivation. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will let some music play and then I'll pop back to give this video an outro.
It seems that you and I lost touch. We knew this would happen, open oceans between us. Still, it's not hard for me to recall how your eyes felt like fire, burning tattoos on my skin, or the way your smile tasted like rain. And now when I'm drunk as hell, I think of you out of the blue. Ooh, do you miss me like I miss you at 4 a.m. in the dark of my bed? Ooh, do you miss me like I miss you? Do you miss me like I miss you? Don't miss me like I miss you. Do you miss me like I miss you? Don't miss me like I miss you. Don't miss me like I miss you. I try to call you, don't pick up. You say that you're sorry, busy life has made you tough. Still, it's not hard for me to recall how your arms held me here, giving reason for the storm or the emptiness I felt when you left. And now when I'm drunk as hell, I think of you out of the blue. Ooh, do you miss me like I miss you at 4 a.m. in the dark of my bed? Ooh, do you miss me like I miss you? Do you miss me like I miss you? Don't miss me like I miss you. Do you miss me like I miss you? Don't miss me like I miss you. Don't miss me like I miss you. Pretend I'm fine, but I know you can hear me sleep talking at night. I tried to hide, lost my mind. All my crooked just kept me up inside, day and night. My composure ran away, disappeared without a trace. I can't cover up the pain. Hold me and don't ever leave. You're the only good in me. When I lose it, promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. Now we wait while I waver in and out of mental states. I can't escape. Watch the flame. It could burn us both if it is never tamed. I'm afraid. Hold me and don't ever leave. You're the only good in me. When I lose it, find me. Promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. Find me. Promise you'll find me. Promise you'll find me. I've been going off for broke for my friends to like me, oh. But I know they see right through me cause they listen to my songs, yeah. But I don't care, no baby, I don't care. People always tell me take a breath, hey, hey, hey. I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sunrise. Just so casual, always living the same life. I don't really mind, but I just need to take some time to get away. Is there something I could take for this pain to go away? Cause I've tried 100 methods and they always seem to fail. Am I crazy? Don't tell me I'm crazy. I just need to find another way. Hey, hey, hey. I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sunrise. Just so casual, always living the same life. I don't really mind, but I just need to take some time to get away.